Welcome back to my channel, everybody. And if you're new, well, hey, what's up? What's good? Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Today I'll be taking you through how I shoot and edit my videos. It's not that highly requested, but quite a few people always want to know how they shoot YouTube videos for like someone who's like not that big and everything. So I'm just gonna run through all the stuff, like my equipment, and I want to run through how I do it, how I shoot. There's probably supposed to be a second view right now over me telling you exactly, well, showing you my actual setup. It's not that great, it's just me right here. Hey, it's just me and the ring light and my phone. So let's get into it. Live life now. Okay, first and foremost, what I shoot with. At first, I started with my Samsung S6. I will put a video over here to show you how that quality was. To be fair though, about this quality, obviously this was not obviously, but this is a screen recording, so it's not going to be like the full 1080p. But yeah, this is what it looked like. And then I started shooting with my iPhone 6. Yes, that quality, because I broke. Well, the iPhone 6 quality is the quality of the second view. So I'm going to show you the second view. This is the iPhone quality. The iPhone 6 quality, because I broke my S6 and then I had to start using my iPhone 6 as my actual camera. And then I moved forth and I got my iPhone 12. So now I use iPhone 6. Oh my gosh, it's my iPhone 7. It's my iPhone 7. So now I got the iPhone 12, and then this is what I shoot with. This is its quality right here. Video quality is, or I mean audio quality is all of the different phones audio quality. I did recently just get a microphone, but I'm going to get into that a little bit later. And then I shoot it on here I shoot it on the iPhone 12 so that it's easier for me to just import it into iMovie, because I use iMovie. I've used iMovie the whole time. Even when I had my Samsung, all I did was shoot it on my Samsung, share it on my Samsung, share it on my iPhone 7, and then take the video from the Samsung and put it onto the iPhone and then edit it onto iMovie. So I'm super sorry if you have an Android. I don't actually know how to edit on an Android. There are obviously ways to do so, but this video won't show you because I don't use that. There's also ways to do it on a computer. I don't do it on a computer either. I've never really tried. I think, no, that's a lie. I did try, but then I couldn't find like a application that like just worked for me, like clicked for me. And then I tried iMovie and I never looked back. You know, I never tried anything else, because when I started my channel I already had the iPhone 7. I just didn't like its quality compared to the Samsung S6 quality, so I used the S6. And plus the S6 is like ultra wide. I know the 12 can also do ultra wide, but it's just more efficient to use a second camera that's not your actual camera. It's easier, especially for like day in my lives and like routine videos and stuff like that. It's just so much easier to use a second phone, because now you don't have to not use your phone in the video. Okay, so I switched over obviously so that I can show you guys how I edit. So hopefully I'm going to put, not hopefully, but I'm going to put the screen recording on this side, and then I will show you exactly how I edit. So then I would just open up iMovie, right, and then create project, movie, and then did I delete it? Oh, there. Okay, so this is last week's video, right? I click on last week's video and I say create movie. Then after create movie, obviously you can see that to rotate, I'm just going to put my fingers on the screen and turn it over. And then obviously you're going to scratch out the part that you want. See there, I'm done. I think bye. So then I split, delete, and then I would add my screen thingy. There it is. So you press the plus and then you say photos, and then you take in the photo to add that end piece that gives you the video stuff. Obviously it's not going to give you the video stuff here. It's just going to have the little clip that I put at the end. I'm going to put a picture of it here. So then I just press photos and click that. And then over there I'm like gesturing towards something. So again, you're going to press the plus, you're going to click on a photo. Okay, now I'm going to press literally any photo, right? Let's take this photo, which is from that video, and then you would say picture in picture, and then boom bam, there it is, you know. So you just do like really simple stuff like that. It's just really simple to edit on iMovie. Obviously I'm not going to show you the whole thing because that would take an entire video. If you want an entire iMovie thingamabobby, you see stuff like that, you just, you know, split it and cut it out. easy, and then delete it and stuff like that. So that is how I edit. And then to make my thumbnails, I normally would go onto photo grid and then add the photos. Obviously, let's say I want to add these, I don't want to use random people, shame. Let's say I want to use these 2 photos, right? I'm going to use photo grid because then I can just obviously remove that, and then ratio there, 16:9, and that's the normal thumbnail size. Then after that, I would go into Fonto and then create photo albums, click the photo that I want. This was the photo that I used, and then I add my text, and that's how I would make my thumbnails. I don't do anything specific, I don't do anything wow. It's literally how I make my thumbnails. To get it the right size, I use photo grid, and then to get the words on it, I would use Fonto. That's how I do that. And then moving on to equipment, I use my ring lights. I think you saw it in that other angle. So I use my ring light. I think it's I actually forgot, 15 or 16. I think 15. I think I wanted the 16, but the 16 wasn't available, so then my boyfriend got the 15. So I think it's the 15 inch ring light. That's what I use. It was from Chair on by it, I don't know. But that's the ring light that I use. And then I told you I use my phone. And then I've never actually used this, but I got this from Take a Lot. So then it comes with this tripod, mini tripod. My mini tripod had broken, so this is fabulous. Comes with a mini tripod, and then it also comes with the camera thing, like when you're taking selfies and you want to press with the camera. Obviously you can't take it out, don't worry. So it comes with the camera thing. It comes with obviously stuff to build up here, and then when you build up there, you can put this on top, and then this has another thing here where you hold your phone, and then it has the microphone. So if you have an iPhone 7 and above, obviously you need the adapter. So it comes with the microphone as well, and another, where is it? Chill. And another tiny light. Another tiny light that comes so that you can have a light while you're using the mini tripod. And the light is rechargeable. That's why it comes with this. It's a rechargeable light, and you switch it on here at the side. And it comes with 3 filter light stuff. It comes with this red one, a blue one, and a white one. So yeah, like I'm saying, I haven't really used it that much, to be honest, but obviously eventually when I'm like vlogging and stuff like that, I'm gonna need it. And the camera thingy is easy for me to take my thumbnails with, because I don't like to screenshot my thumbnails. I take my thumbnails as an actual photo, so that always works. The microphone, I need to find a new place for it, because when I put it by the ring light, it makes a noise. Like I can literally hear the electricity buzzing through the ring light, especially if you're wearing earphones. So I didn't know that until I had already like shot and finished my part 2 of my UNISA studying honors there video, and I was like dying because I could not believe that you can literally hear the electricity buzzing through because of the microphone. Like it's super clear, and I love it. Like I really love the idea of having a microphone. I'm just gonna have to find a way to like put it right here in front of me so that obviously it's still connected to the phone and it works, because connecting it to the ring light, nah boo boo, it just doesn't work out well. So that is, I think, everything that I do when I use to edit. I will honestly, if somebody really wants like a full-on video of how I use iMovie, I will. But iMovie is honestly, truthfully, not that hard. But this is literally all I do. I don't do any magic. I don't have like 101 million different like equipment stuff. Like I'm saying, I just got this vlogging stuff, and that was mainly because I wanted a microphone. I wanted better sound quality. I really did want a microphone. It was just obviously an added bonus now that it came with a mini tripod and it came with a camera thing, because those are 2 separate things that I really did want as well. So it all came in one, and I was like, why would I say no? And then the lights, like having a light for your mini tripod, it's brilliant. It was on sale when I got it at Take a Lot, but I'll still link it down below in case anybody wants it. Like I'm saying, the ring lights, I didn't buy that for myself, so I don't know where to get that for you. But ring lights, honestly, at this point you can get them anyway. As long as like a gadget store, you'll find a ring light, to be honest. So I hope this was helpful, I hope it was useful, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next week. Bye.